Hi, welcome to the garden. Today we're going to be trimming blackberries. I used to be very intimidated by how to prune blackberries. I was afraid that I was going to ruin my harvest, but I've learned that you cut out all the dead, you shorten your main canes, and you trim the sides, and it's really that simple. So let me show you how. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to determine what is old and dead. Like this one right here is very obvious. So we're going to just cut it out. I'm going to cut it at the bottom using these big loppers. And then we will remove that. Okay, and then the next step is we're going to find where the cane is coming out of the ground at. So this one right here, I can tell is coming straight out of the ground from over there. I want it to be, oh, I already did it. So I summer tipped pruned all of these to about the height that I wanted them. And then you can tell that it produced a side cane. So the tip, if I wouldn't have tip pruned this one, we would have cut it at about 5 to 6 feet, depending on how big you want it. It could have been a little shorter, but that's okay. And then on these side ones, this is where your berries are going to be produced on. So you want about 12 to 18 inches, and you're going to snip right above a bud. This could make more blackberry bushes, and you don't want that. So put it in a wheelbarrow and cart it off wherever you need to cart it off. This one, I did not summer tip prune, and I don't want it to be that long. So I'm gonna bring it back and I'm gonna cut it. And if there's any, the side cane is over there. Side canes you do about 12 to 18 inches. The fruiting canes are the ones that you're gonna make about 5 to 6 feet, sometimes 4 feet. It kind of depends on your preference. But it is hard to prune the side shoots down 12 to 18 inches, but that produces better berries if you have them shorter. On each one of those, it'll produce berries. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna keep going. And these are a little bit of a mess, so it will look much better when we're done. Ouch. Coming out of the ground. And each one of these clumps, you really only want around 6 to 8 canes coming out of each one of them. So if you have one like this one doesn't have any side shoots on it, well, it has one. It's not going to produce very many berries, so you might not even want to keep it. Like this one, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I could get rid of this spindly one and keep the better looking ones. Sometimes I'll just start clipping. You can always go back and clip more. I have learned that blackberries are very forgiving. And like this one has rooted, it has rooted in. I don't mind having a blueberry or blackberry bush there, so we're gonna just snip it, and the one that is rooted, we'll make another whole blackberry bush. That's how blackberries get to be like thickets out in the wild. These are thornless, but some of them do have thorns. But that's how blackberries get to be thickets, because these arch over and they touch the ground, and where they touch the ground is where it will create another bush, and it'll just keep going and going and going. These two very brown ones are last year's, and they will not produce fruit this year. We're gonna cut them out. They will come out. These purple ones, those are the ones we're trimming up this year. Some of these side shoots can get to be extremely long. Like this one is a side shoot. It comes from way down there, and this is the whole thing. All of this is a side shoot. We don't want that. I broke that one, so it's got to come out. Sometimes I get a little too rough with the blackberries because they make me mad, but that's okay. Oh, that one is really broke. Oh, well, it's a side shoot. The side shoots have side shoots too. Look at that. See, and that one has rooted in over there. It's probably why it broke, because there's no give to it. Some of these must have broke last year, because that one's broke. You can't reach it from this side. Oh, some more side shoots. These blackberries are pretty vigorous growers, so I don't really... We did have a drought, pretty major drought last year, so it did affect them a little bit, but... This one I summer pruned. So this, I tipped it in the summer. All of these offshoots, that is where the fruit will come. So 12 to 18 inches, snip above a bud. Same with all of these. And then also you can tell this one right here was broke. So anything that is dead, diseased, or broke. We're gonna cut that out of there. That one. I don't want anyone growing in the main aisle. So we're gonna make sure we get those up. I will come back and pick all these up. This one was actually laying on the ground. So that's why throughout the summer, you need to come in here and make sure that they are still attached. Whoop, that didn't work. They are over their trellis, but we only made this trellis mid-year last year, so we're just gonna tie it to it. Should be good to go. This is all that I cut off from all of the blackberry bushes. So just a wheelbarrow load, and that's it. That's how you prune blackberries. And right now is a perfect time to get out there and prune your blackberries before we get that weird March, spring, I don't know, snow that'll come again. And I did notice that in this blackberry bed, I have quite a few openings. Like I said, we had that drought last year, so it took out quite a bit of my blackberries. So that means we get to try some new varieties. I am very excited about that. So we'll get some of those planted in there. But thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.